It's a cool summer's evening at the end of July. The bees are busy. Can you hear them? Listen carefully. I can hear the buzz. They are busy working. It kind of sounds like a fan. Those are the wings of all the bees. All
I locked the
right,
doors from
getting
the car so they
ready.
can't get in.
Getting ready to go get the honey.
More honey, more honey.
More honey. All right, they are out to the hive. They're gonna smoke it, check on it, and see if the honey is capped and ready to be spun out. They actually use a leaf blower to gently blow the bees away so we can get to the honey. All right, so we are uncapping the honey, taking the wax off so we can spin the honey out. Look at all the honey. Yum. All right, almost ready to go into the spinner. All right, we have some frames in the extractor. It is going to spin the honey out. Ooh, can you see the honey hitting the wall? I can smell the honey. Very cool. All right, and here comes the honey. Right out of the frame from the bees' combs. Wow. Here's a trick we learned. This makes cleanup easier. You scrape out as much honey as you can. Put the bucket outside near the bees and they'll do the rest. They will clean it. They will put that honey back in the hive. Pretty easy cleanup. Here we go. After lots of scraping and straining and spinning, we have a jar full of beautiful golden honey. Let me show you the big bucket we have. Here we go. Here's our honey bucket. It's a 5-gallon food grade bucket. Let's see how full it is. Oh, look at that. All the way to the tippy top. Full of honey. We are going to be set for sweetness all winter. So this is what 45 pounds of honey looks like. Who knew? Those bees have been busy all summer. Yum. Here's one of my favorite honey recipes. You take some peanut butter, pour in some honey, however much you like, mix it together, sprinkle a little cinnamon on there, cut up an apple, and it's a yummy treat. You can take the apples and dip into that peanut butter. Taste the crunch, the sweetness of the honey and the peanut butter. That's one of my favorites. Thank you, all of my bee friends. Your honey is yummy.